Okay, for homework 414, I'd like you to copy the work and the words I'm about to say, and then try a set on your own. First word right away is sail. Sail. All right, I want you to first find this perimeter, finding and using the Pythagorean theorem to find those lengths. So here we go. Finding these lengths. One of them I could count boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This bottom length is 6. But the other lengths, which are diagonals, I gotta use math. So this length AB, I'm gonna use this component right here, which is 2 boxes long, versus this one right here, which is 4 boxes long. I'm going to use that and the Pythagorean theorem to find that length AB. So here we go. Length AB is, oops, let's not use D. Let's use C squared. AB, C squared, that is that length right there. C squared equals 2 squared plus 4 squared. If you could write that for me, that gives me C squared equals 4 plus 16, which means C squared equals 20. I'm going to have you square root both sides as a inverse operation to show me that's how those go away and leave you just C. And then I have root 20. And then, of course, adding on today, root 20. Let's not make it a decimal. Let's break that down. That is 4 root 5. That breaks down into 4 times root 5. Or that length, written simplified form, 2 root 5. That is that length. That is the length of AB right there. So this length is 2 root 5. All right, next part, which is BC. Look at the parts of the triangle I'm using for this. For this BC part, I have this part of the triangle, which is 4. I have this part of the triangle, which is another 4. I'm sorry, that part of the triangle is 4 also. Yes, that is 4, 4, and 4. So if I find that length right there, length BC, second word is boat. Boat. That gives me C squared equals 4 squared plus 4 squared. That's C squared equals 16 plus 16. C squared equals 32. Square root both sides, which is the inverse operation of squaring. Square root makes these cancel, leaves me just C. And then that 32 one, that's the tricky one. 32, you want to go big. You want to find the biggest perfect root. 32's got a 16 in it. That breaks down to 16 times root 2, which gives me, for this length, which is AC, gives me 4 root 2. That is that length right here. If I'm finding the perimeter of this, I'm going to add up all those lengths. But remember, I can't add unlike terms. So for this one, I might be a little out of luck. Let's group this here. All right, perimeter would be now adding all 4 sides. So I got P perimeter equals 2 root 5 plus 4 root 2 plus that length 6, and algebraically I cannot go any further. That's as far as I could go. I cannot simplify that anymore. If I happen to though do it and it gave me like 2 root 5 and then maybe a 3 root 5 plus 6, then I could have combined the like terms, leaving that radical 5 number alone. That would have simplified into that. But for this problem, I did not give you like terms. This is root 5, this is root 2. Cannot add those. And of course, you can't add those to this whole number. You could leave it alone. All right, what I would like you to do is do one on your own. Your triangle, I'm going to give you, try to make it easy on you. It's going to be starting right here. It's going to go next point right here. And then my C point, let's go right here. All right, so I want you to find the algebraic perimeter of this triangle using the Pythagorean theorem, simplifying radicals. If there's a problem you need to simplify radicals, I want you to find these lengths, the bottom one by counting boxes and these other ones by making them Pythagorean theorem problems, where this is 1 and this is 4. That side is c squared equals 1 squared plus 4 squared. And then to find the other length, I want you to make it into a Pythagorean theorem problem 2, where this length right here and then this up and down length is the up and down part. So that would be 2 squared plus 4 squared. And then simplify if you can, add them up, find the perimeter. Last word is blue, of course, blue. Good luck. See you Monday.